Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can give a new life to an old nightstand. I'm absolutely sure that everyone can do it, you just need to put a little time and effort. First, unscrew the handles and sand all surfaces. You can use a sander or just buy some nice grit sandpaper and use it. After, you need to prime the surface. I decided to skip this step. Next, I diluted black acrylic paint with a little water and applied it to the surface with an art sponge. This layer, randomly apply other colors, but this time don't dilute the paint with water. I used emerald and pastel turquoise. You can choose absolutely any color you want. Again, on top of this new layer, we apply some black color, also without any previous dilution. In this process, the main thing is not to rush and shade the surface. Using white paint, slightly dilute it in water and a toothbrush, sprinkle it on the top surface, like creating shooting stars on a pitch black sky. I carve out a circle from paper to contour a planet on our sky, and inside it, with the help of a sponge, we apply some color combination. The main thing here is to make one half lighter and the other darker. If you don't succeed at the first time, just paint over the circle with black and start over. You can use sponges with different coatings, they will create different effects. Smaller planets can be painted with a brush. You just need to carelessly shade the white color as in the main planet. To make Saturn's rings, use a ruler or evenly cut sheet of paper and draw a couple of lines. Circle them around the planet. Paint out the circle of the planet with white and then blur this white color with a clean damp brush as shown in the video. Remove excess paint on the solid paper or on your own hand, as I do. decided to apply statements. To do this, I searched to a company that deals with plastic laser cutting and ordered a stencil. Unfortunately, the result was not perfect as the paint under it spread, so I finished the text by hand. Let's move on to decorating. I printed out the drawings I needed on ordinary office paper from an inkjet printer. I overlapped the image with tape to the table and pulled the edge of the first tape strip. Surface PVA glue using a brush and glue our drawing on top. I also go brush drawing surface with PVA glue after applied. We cover our work with layers of acrylic varnish and our bedside table is ready. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Dunyasha Nikiforovna was with you. Bye!